I was born a king, but I longed to be a god. The streets of Uruk echoed with my name, whispered in awe and fear. Gilgamesh, they called me. 2/3 divine, 1/3 mortal, all tyrant. My strength knew no bounds. I could topple mountains with my bare hands, crush armies beneath my feet. But power breeds arrogance, and arrogance breeds cruelty. I took what I wanted, trampled the weak, and laughed in the face of the gods themselves. Then came Enkidu, the wild man tamed by love. At first, we clashed like thunderbolts, our battle shaking the very foundations of the earth. But from that chaos, a brotherhood was born. He became my other half, the conscience I never knew I needed. Together, we sought glory. We ventured into the cedar forest, facing the terrible Humbaba. Our blades sang in unison as we felled the monster. We stood triumphant against the bull of heaven, its dying roar a symphony to our might. We were invincible, unstoppable, eternal. Or so I thought. Death came for Enkidu, not with a clash of swords, but with a whisper of fever. I watched helplessly as the light faded from his eyes. My heart shattering like clay tablets dropped from the ziggurat's heights. In that moment, I tasted mortality for the first time, and it was bitter beyond measure. Fear gripped me then, a fear I had never known. The specter of my own death loomed, mocking my supposed divinity. I couldn't accept it. I wouldn't. And so began my desperate quest. I journeyed across scorching deserts, sailed treacherous seas. I battled scorpion men and left through portals of darkness, all to find Utnapishtim, the one mortal granted eternal life by the gods. But immortality, I learned, is not a prize to be won. It's a curse disguised as a blessing. Utnapishtim's words cut deeper than any blade. Only the gods are eternal. Gilgamesh. To be human is to die. I returned to Uruk a changed man. No longer the arrogant king who sought to challenge death, but a ruler who finally understood the true meaning of life. It's not found in eternal youth or godlike power. It's in the love we share, the cities we build, the stories we leave behind. My name may fade from memory, my great walls crumble to dust. But the wisdom I gained? That, perhaps, is the closest thing to immortality we mortals can achieve. For in the end, it's not about becoming a god. It's about becoming truly human.